For number 2, solve this equation. Do it in 2 ways, okay? So I'm going to do the way that I think most of y'all are doing first. I'm going to divide by -3 and divide by -3. And that's going to give me m minus 25 equals 6 divided by -3. I know is a negative answer. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it's -2. Now m minus 25, so I've got to add 25. Okay, so m equals, we have more positive than the negative. This is really just 25 minus 2. So the answer is 23. Don't believe again? Plug it in. Put a 23 in there minus the 25. You're going to get -2 inside this parenthesis. A -3 times a -2 is a +6. Okay. In case you did it the other way, you can keep watching. If you didn't, you could stop watching. Okay, so we would take -3 times this and get -3m. We would take -3 times a -25 and get a +75. A negative times a negative is a positive. And then we'll just bring the 6 down. So now you got a 2-step equation. You're going to minus 75 here and minus 75 there. So who's going to win? You got -75 and you got a +6. The negative's going to win, so just take the larger number and subtract the bigger number, or take the larger number and subtract the smaller number, and you're going to get 69 as an answer, but you know that that's a -69. Okay, so -3m, these canceled out, so I bring down my -3m, and then I'm going to divide by -3 and divide by -3 so that I can isolate. This turns into a big 1, and I get m equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 69 divided by 3 is a 23.